Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
I think corporation seriously thinking to start this types of efforts, go to the corporation areas and they will promote it. And I am requesting the people of Goa, especially from our city, they will try level best to implement it and make sure of our national policy also.
राजभवनान महापालिकेबरोबर मिळून हो प्रकल्प चालीक लायला. पणजे हो असलो 10वो प्रकल्प. हॉटेल आणि रेस्टॉरंटांनी असले प्लांट बसोवन घेवचे म्हण महापौराचो उलो.
Anyway, Panjim has always been on the forefront of waste management. Now, with our decentralized approach, we're hoping initiatives like this will actually help. Now, businesses also can take advantage of this. Any restaurant or any hotel that produces a lot of gas and has a lot of wet waste and has space can adopt initiatives like this and actually reuse that and recycle it. Now, we only have around 10 or something like that. So, we're hoping to grow those initiatives.
In Raj Bhavan. This is the second unit of biomethanation that we have installed. The first one was installed in July of last year. So there we are generating about 2 kgs of gas, and here also we are generating about 2 kgs of gas. And this will feed the kitchens of Raj Bhavan as well as the canteen.
Bureau Report, Prudent.